Welcome to the demo for the Naarad SDK, a mobile notifications SDK for Web3 dApps. It's easy to use, highly customizable, and scalable. In this demo, we will see how an app developer can integrate Naarad into the mobile application. As an app developer, I land up on this website and find out more about Naarad here. I'll just go get started and build up my app. So I have to complete these three steps. The first is to request an API key. This has to be done manually for now by contacting me. I already have an API key. I'll move on to the next step. So here I have to fill some details to register my app. I'll just fill up these details. I need the APK requested before. I need my I need a unique identifier for my app, and I have to remember this and the package name, which will be used for creating my Android library. Lastly, I need a notification config. This config will be used for sending notifications to the type transfer whenever the user transfers some amount or some amount is transferred in the account. You can go over to the docs to take a look at how notification config is to be formed. So I'll list my app now. So the app has been successfully registered. Let's move on to the last step and add the HTTP to app. So for this, I have to go ahead to see the docs and the setting up section, and this requires me to have an Android application setup. So a note about notification configs. You can have different types of notification configs. So in my example, I used chain event type of type transfer. So I want to track notifications for the transfer chain event type. I can have multiple chain event types, and they are they're associated to different types of blockchain activities. So I can customize my app the way I want. So let's create an Android application. I kept the package name the same as the one which I kept while registering my app. So the project is being created. Let's go on to a documentation to find out what we have to do next. I'll have to add this repository here. It says I have to add it in the project build.tl file. I can either do it here or in the settings.tl. In my case, I'll do in the settings. Next step is to add the dependencies. I'll add these in the app.tl file. Let's sync the project now. It's synced. The next step is to initialize Naarad app. Once I initialize this, I will be able to see a default form notifications. So let's fill out these details here. My app name is sample app, and my parameters. So the wallet address required here is the one which has to be registered with this device, and any on-chain activities which happen uh, will be sent to this device if they involve this wallet, and if the notification config specifies this particular type of transaction to be sent as a notification. So I have an example wallet here. Now I have the situation. Now once I run the app now, I'll be able to see some. So I have my Android app running, and now I will test the push notification feature. I will send some Solana to the wallet that is registered with that device, and I should see a push notification in the tray, and that should be the default version. So let's go ahead and do it. So the notification should also show that this is the wallet that and the Solana has been transferred from. So as you can see, I have received the push notification, and it shows me the wallet just sent me the Solana. Also, I have another push notification which is for previous installation of a similar app. and this one is closed. So this also shows that the push notifications work when the app is not running and is in the closed state. Now we can go ahead and try to customize the notification a bit. So now our app is running on a mobile device. Now we'll follow the same steps to send Solana to wallet which is registered to the mobile device, and we should see a notification with the customized icon which we created in the last step. So as you can see, the notification has been received on our device, and the notification doesn't show that has all the data. So it's going to do this transaction like the, the transaction amount and both the one type. Currently only in this current view only the one of the wallet type is visible, but all data is present. Also, more probably we have the notification icon which we just customize into a notification present. As you can see in the top left, the rocket icon is present. So that completes our flow of creating customized notifications. And we can do much more with this. We can create all types of notifications and trigger all types of activities and user looks in these notifications. Finally, tab developer can also send custom notifications to the server by using an API. So not all notifications need to be blockchain triggered. The tab developer sends some custom notifications that we can forward them to the corresponding user and device.